Smile and learn.
How's it going, girls? You look scared. It's just like any other storm. We could do some yoga if you like, to relax. My friends, the sea animals, will help us. What do you say? Hello, my turtle friend. I was just telling the girls we could do some yoga. Will you show them the turtle pose?
Sure, I'll show you the turtle pose. Ready? Sit on the floor and keep your spine straight. Flex your knees and touch the soles of your feet together. Exhale and lean just a little bit forward. Now bring your right arm under your right knee and your left arm under your left knee. Can you feel how your back is curved just like a turtle shell? Try to keep the pose for at least 1 minute. And this is the turtle pose. I think I'll swim back to the sea.
Hey there, I see you're doing yoga. Would you like me to show you the crab pose? Let's give it a go. Sit on the floor and flex your knees. Keep your feet firmly on the ground and bring your palms next to your wrists. Inhale and lift your hips, torso, and head. Your body now looks like a box. Look up and keep the pose for 5 seconds. Try walking like a crab, just like me. Move forwards and backwards. Well done! Now, exhale and sit on the floor again. Rest a little and repeat the pose at least 5 times. The crab pose is really awesome, isn't it? Would you like to learn more poses? Come with me then, deep in the sea. I have many friends there who can help you. This is my friend, the shark. Hey, friend.
Don't worry, I'm a good shark. I'm going to show you the shark pose. Lie down on your belly and place your arms on each side of your body. Your palms should be facing upwards. Look up, inhale, and raise your head, shoulders, and ribs. Bring your hands and palms together and crisscross your fingers behind your back, making a shark fin. Keep the pose for 5 seconds. Exhale, bring your hands to the initial position and come down. Repeat the pose at least 5 times. Amazing! You did so well! I think I can see my friend the starfish over there. Go say hello. She'll show you how to do a really cool pose.
Hey! You almost stepped on me. Never mind. Do you want me to show you the starfish pose? Lie down on your back, stretch your legs, and bring both hands over your head. Your feet and hands should be apart as much as you can to form a starfish, just like me. Close your eyes for a moment and try to be still and silent. Can you hear the sound of the waves? Shh! Can you hear that? Now keep your legs stretched and bring your hands to your belly. Let's focus on breathing for a moment. When we inhale, we see our belly rising because it fills with air. We raise our hands and keep them apart just a little. When we exhale, we see our belly emptying of air. Our hands go back to their initial position. We inhale and exhale a few more times. We finish this pose wiggling our arms and legs. Time to say goodbye. See you around. The storm is over. I told you it was going to be just fine. I think it's time to go home. See you soon.
Did you like the video? We have so many more. Subscribe by clicking on the seal. And if you want to keep watching more videos, click on the boxes.